In this video, you will get an information about cloud computing and everything about cloud computing. Introduction to cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Large clouds often have functions distributed over multiple locations, each of which is a data center. Cloud computing relies on sharing of resources to achieve goals and typically uses a pay-as-you-go model, which can help in reducing capital expenses but may also lead to unexpected operating expenses for users. Benefits of cloud computing. Security. Many cloud providers offer a broad set of policies, technology, and controls that strengthen your security posture, overall helping protect your data, apps, and infrastructure from potential threats. Performance. The biggest cloud computing services run on a worldwide network of secure data centers, which are regularly upgraded to the latest generation of fast and efficient computing hardware. Reliability. Cloud computing makes data backup and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites on the cloud provider's network. Speed. Most cloud computing services are provided self-service, and so even vast amounts of computing resources can be provisioned in minutes, typically with just a few mouse clicks, giving businesses a lot of flexibility. Types of cloud computing. Public cloud. Public clouds are owned and operated by third-party cloud service providers, which deliver computing resources like servers and storage over the internet. Microsoft Azure is an example of a public cloud. With a public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider. You access these services and manage your account using a web browser. Private cloud. A private cloud refers to cloud computing resources used exclusively by a single business or organization. A private cloud can be physically located on the company's on-site data center. Some companies also pay third-party service providers to host their private cloud. Private cloud is one in which the services and infrastructure are maintained on a private network. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid clouds combine public and private clouds, bound together by technology that allows data and applications to be shared between them. By allowing data and applications to move between private and public clouds, a hybrid cloud gives your business greater flexibility and more deployment options and helps optimize your existing infrastructure, security, and compliance. Uses of cloud computing. You're probably using cloud computing right now, even if you don't realize it. If you use an online service to send email, edit documents, watch movies or TV, listen to music, play games, or store pictures and other files, it's likely that cloud computing is making it all possible behind the scenes. A variety of organizations, from tiny startups to global corporations, government agencies to non-profits, have embraced cloud computing technology for all sorts of reasons. Stream audio and video. Connect with your audience anywhere, anytime, on any device with high-definition video and audio with global distribution. Embed intelligence. Use intelligent models to help engage customers and provide valuable insights from the data captured. Test and build applications. Reduce application development cost and time by using cloud infrastructures that can easily be scaled up or down. Deliver software on demand, also known as software as a service, SaaS. On-demand software lets you offer the latest software versions and updates to customers anytime they need, anywhere they are. Store, backup, and recover data. Protect your data more cost-efficiently and at massive scale by transferring your data over the internet to an off-site cloud storage system accessible from any location. Analyze data. Unify your data across teams, divisions, and locations in the cloud. Then use cloud services such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. Cloud computing models. There are three models of cloud, namely IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, IaaS. the most basic category of cloud computing services. With Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, you rent IT infrastructure server S and virtual machines, VMs, storage, networks, operating systems from a cloud provider on a pay-as-you-go basis. PaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, refers to cloud computing services that supply an on-demand environment for developing, testing, delivering, and managing software applications. PaaS is designed to make it easier for developers to quickly create web or mobile apps without worrying about setting up or managing the underlying infrastructure of servers, storage, network, and databases needed for development. SaaS, Software as a Service, is a method for delivering software applications over the internet, on demand, and typically on a subscription basis. With SaaS, cloud providers host and manage the software application and underlying infrastructure, and handle any maintenance, like software upgrades and security patching. Users connect to the application over the internet, usually with a web browser on their phone, tablet, or PC. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.